Welcome to English in 5 minutes with AI. In just 5 minutes a day, you'll be able to master 10 powerful English expressions that will help you speak more confidently and naturally. Whether you're preparing for IELTS, TOEFL, or just want to sound like a native speaker, this channel is your perfect companion. Join us every day for fresh, engaging content powered by AI and watch your English skills grow in no time. Let's get started.
I know Rex looks a bit scary, but he wouldn't hurt a fly. My uncle is a lone wolf. He lives on his own in a cabin in the forest.
Don't be afraid of Linda. Her bark is worse than her bite. Claire is a social butterfly. She's always going to parties.
Tony wouldn't say boo to a goose. He gets really shy when he talks to customers. Ben never told us he could tap dance. He is such a dark horse. Jim is a good egg. He helped me to move last week. Hassan is the salt of the earth. I saw him help an old lady cross the road.
Debbie is a tough cookie. She doesn't mind when people criticize her work. Christy remained as cool as a cucumber throughout her performance.
Thank you so much for watching English in 5 minutes with AI. We hope you enjoyed today's lesson and learned something new. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to get more daily lessons delivered straight to your inbox. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss a video. And remember, improve your English in 5 minutes a day. Stay tuned, keep learning, and we'll see you in the next one.